This is lesson 7, course 1. This is line segments, rays, and linear measurements. So when you're looking at a line, you are looking at something that goes forever and ever and always in either direction, which is why we have arrows on either side of it. This is a line. A line continues forever and ever and always. A ray is one piece of the line cut, which is how we show this with a dot. So this has had one side of it cut, but the other side is still going forever. A segment has had both sides cut. So a segment is a piece of a line. That's why it has the word segment, because segment means piece. So this is a piece of a line. It has had both sides cut. So that is a line, a ray, and a segment. Now, we're going to look at linear measurement. So linear measurement, we are looking at measuring on a ruler. Now, measuring millimeters, you have all done before, and you would just be using the millimeter side of your ruler. Measuring inches is a little bit more difficult. So this is inches, or my drawing of an inches ruler. So when you're measuring inches, what you need to look at is you have each of these sections is a fraction. So this is a quarter, this is a half, and this is 3/4. And that is the same in each section. This is a quarter, this is a half, and this is 3/4. This is a quarter, this is a half, this is 3/4. This is a quarter, this is a half, and this is 3/4. Okay? They're all the same within the measurement of the ruler. Now, what this means is that we need to pay attention to what line our line segment, or ray fall on. So if we're looking at this segment, okay, this would be 2, because we passed the 2. This would be 2 1/4 inches, because it lands on the quarter mark. If it had gone to here, we would be at 1, because we've passed the 1, but we haven't gotten to 2, 1 1/2. Now, the other way you could write half if you want to is 2/4, but a half and 2/4 are the same fraction, just written differently. They are equivalent or equal. So we just write the easier one, which is half. So you'd be 1/2 would be this one. So you really have to pay attention again to where your line, ray, or segment is falling on your ruler to be able to know how long it is. Again, these are all the different sections of your ruler, okay? Now, if you're looking at a centimeter ruler, this is for inches. If you're looking at a centimeter ruler, you would have something that looks like this, and you would have 1, 2, and in between you would have all these little lines. Okay, you will have between here and here, this is 10. Okay, including this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I got one too many. Okay, that'll be 10 little spaces, because 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. All these little lines, when you're looking at your centimeter ruler, are millimeters. That is what they are. Okay, so again, if I had, let's redraw this so you can see a little bit better. So if I had, here's my centimeter ruler, a line segment going from here to here, I wouldn't even hit centimeters. This would only be in the millimeters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 millimeters. If I'm hitting one, and let's say my next line segment is here to here, I have passed the 1, so that is 1.12345 centimeters. Okay, that is 1.6 centimeters, or 1 centimeter and 6 millimeters. Okay, those are the two ways of writing it. Again, just like the inches ruler, you need to figure out where your segment, ray, or line are hitting. Now, with the inches, you're using fractions. With the centimeters, you are using decimal numbers or breaking them up into their two parts. That is Lesson 7, Course 1, Line, Segments, Rays, and Linear Measurements.